Come, let's look at this JAMB past question physics 2018 question number 35. Musical instruments playing the same notes can be distinguished from one another owing to the difference in their A. quality, B. pitch, C. intensity, D. loudness. Now, for us to properly appreciate this very question, we need to understand these different perception of sound or qualities of sound. This different perception of sound, that is how you perceive your sound. The quality, which has another name as timbre, has a lot to do with what you can use to distinguish sound from different instruments. So if there are different instruments, you can easily identify them by using their quality or the timbre. The frequency has something to do with the frequency, the pitch has something to do with the frequency of the sound produced, and loudness has to do with the amplitude and how loud or soft a sound is. The intensity has to do with the intensity of the sound coming out. So when you talk about differentiating different instruments, different musical instruments, differentiating them, we talk about the quality of the sound coming from them, which we also call the timbre, because this is the factor that differentiates the same musical notes from different musical instruments, their quality or their timbre. So A is the right option to this. And loudness is only talking about how loud or soft a sound is, and it relates to the total number of auditory nerve simulations over the short cyclic time period, most likely over the duration of theta wave cycle. But timbre or quality is actually what differentiates sounds of similar notes but from different instruments, and that makes A the answer to the question. Thank you.